Hi to everyone. Let's continue and finish our budget task with talking about the dedicated sheets. We created two similar, which are identical files. One is working group builders, and one is working group storage. And given they work in an identical way, so we will explain based on the example working group builders, and then you can do the same with the other sheets. So what do we have in the dedicated sheet? First of all, types of input, administrative input to be changed by the financial modeler, then working group input to be changed by working group leads, and calculated input shouldn't be changed. So as to administrative input, let's do it this way. So we have a working group builders, which is predetermined by us. So we create some sheet, we create the term, and we pass it through to the builders, to the working group leads, to the working group builders lead. Then we have automatic calculation of the starting date of the term, ending date of the term, forex calculation principle, and the rate, the native token rate. So we have here the types of payments, which is the information that should be taken into consideration by the working group leads. So based on these types of payments, we have different multipliers. Then we have requested payment. So we have like a line of requested payment, planned payment, and actual payment. Yeah. So first we request some money. Who are we? Working group team lead requests some money. Then it's gets confirmed by the council, and this requested money become planned money, and then we have actual money that, like, okay, fact can be different from what we have already planned. So 3 steps. Step 1, requested payments, and it's done by the working group leads. So we input some information as to the worker, the ID, work ID, member ID, some like some name, some role, and of course the most important here is payment type, USDT or spot, 6-month wasting, 1 year wasting, and so on. So now we have an option to choose either these. So we put full-time equivalent, hours per term, and also the USD hourly rate. Otherwise, we can just put a sum. So we have like some fixed sum, 3,000, and we don't need this. Now we have the multiplier based on what type of payment we choose. Then we have the total USD sum. We have, and you see here, yeah, no edit, no edit, no edit. So it's all calculation based. So total USDT sum, USD sum, payment currency, and total sum, either in USDT or Joy. So we have here, as an example, 49,000 Joy, and here 1.5 thousand USDT. So we have this requested payment. Then we come to the planned payment. With the planned payment, it's easier. It's filled in by the council. So like council member just puts the sum, which can be the same sum as here. And we already have the predetermined USDT or Joy choice. Like just put in the sum, that's it. And then we have the actual payment. And once again, it's filled in by a working group lead, or alternatively, it can be also filled by the council member, no matter. So we just put the total sum and then see the calculations. So the plan against fact, what was the requested payment, paid payment, actual payment. So same as here. And we also have some discussion session here if you don't need. So we can like change or delete, and some data for calculation. But well, actually we can like hide it, and it will be much easier for you. Okay, that's how it works. So another sections are completely the same, but the terms are different. And you see 33 tab, 34 tab, 35 tab. Then we have some membership, some reference sheet. It can be hidden, but now it's like this. And here is a total tab summary. So we take all the information that we put in here to this tab. And then this tab is acquired by and then this step is acquired by the Joystream budgeting file. So, and we get all the information as to the working group compensations in Joy. And working group compensations in USDT. And total working group compensations in Joy, and total compensation in USDT. Well, that's it. That's basically it. Nothing. And here I already changed some issues as for the graph. So if we come back to the dashboard, you see that now everything works right with this compensation lines. So that's it.